Hello and welcome. Today we'll take a quick tour of ClusterWizard, a powerful suite of tools developed by CORESPEQ for on-premises cloud infrastructure. ClusterWizard simplifies server virtualization, accelerates AI workloads, and minimizes performance overhead. This makes scaling your HPC environment easier than ever. In this demonstration video, we'll start with one of our existing clusters. Then, we will walk through the process of adding a new server, provisioning a virtual machine on that server, and assigning it to a new user, empowering them to manage their VM independently. Admin workflow. In this section, we will go over the steps to log in to the web UI using a TLS certificate. Further, we will show a quick overview of the host management dashboard. Access to ClusterWizard is secured using mutual TLS. Users authenticate with a client certificate and private key. Once logged in, we navigate to the host management dashboard, which displays our 4-node clusters. This cluster has been managed by ClusterWizard as a central control plane for several years. This concludes the admin workflow section for login and host management dashboard. ClusterWizard setup. This section will start by installing NodeWizard. Then we will give a quick overview of the ClusterWizard platform, and finally integrate the NodeWizard server to ClusterWizard. Installing NodeWizard. While NodeWizard is installing on our new server, it's worth highlighting a few key features of the ClusterWizard platform. ClusterWizard supports several major operating systems for cluster servers, including Ubuntu 20.04 through 24.04, Rocky Linux 9, and Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9. ClusterWizard is designed to deliver high-performance computing clusters with minimal overhead. One of its core advantages is device pass-through for GPU, high-speed networking, and PCI storage, enabling significantly lower latency for compute-intensive workloads. With NodeWizard installed, ClusterWizard lets us add the new server in just a few clicks. ClusterWizard handles the integration, making it easy to connect servers and expand the cluster. Centralized admin control. ClusterWizard serves as the central control plane, enabling administrators to add nodes, provision virtual machines, manage users, assign resources, and configure private networks. Creating VMs. Let's create a virtual machine on the newly added server. ClusterWizard supports a variety of guest operating systems, such as Ubuntu, Rocky Linux, Red Hat Enterprise Linux, SUSE Linux Enterprise Server, and Windows Server. The virtual machines can be provisioned using local storage or Ceph-backed network storage, enabling a distributed and scalable storage solution. In just a few steps, we configured and deployed a new VM. Next, we'll create a new user in ClusterWizard and assign the new VM to this user. This gives the user full control over the lifecycle of the VM. Certificate-based access. In this section, we will go over the steps a user can take to generate the key and CSR. Then we will look at how the administrator can approve or reject this request. Users can generate key pairs and directly submit certificate signing requests using the web UI. ClusterWizard simplifies authentication workflows, delivering security without adding complexity. Now let's switch to the window logged in as the administrator. Administrators can review, approve, or reject certificate signing requests with built-in user management tools. When approved, certificates grant access for a fixed period, maintaining tight control over cluster access. General user workflow. In this section, we will log into the newly approved user, look at ways to manage, and connect to a VM. Full lifecycle control of virtual machines is available for VMs assigned to users. They can start and stop VMs, create snapshots, and restore them when needed. Virtual machines are accessible directly from ClusterWizard's web interface. With integrated SSH and VNC support, users can connect from anywhere without requiring additional software. In this short video, we show how ClusterWizard simplifies scaling and managing on-premises HPC clusters. Whether you're supporting AI workloads, research computing, or enterprise virtualization, ClusterWizard enables you to build, operate, and expand HPC infrastructure. You can scan the QR code to view a more comprehensive documentation for getting started with using ClusterWizard. Thank you for viewing this documentation for the Wizard Client Web UI. Please let us know about your questions at clusterwizard@corespeq.com.